statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, District of Columbia, and the following counties, in Virginia, Arlington, Fairfax, and Prince William, and the following independent cities, in Virginia, Alexandria, Fairfax, Falls Church, and Manassas Park. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for the Western District of Columbia, the city of Fairfax in Northern Virginia, Arlington County in Northern Virginia, the city of Falls Church in Northern Virginia, Fairfax County in Northern Virginia, the city of Manassas Park in Northern Virginia, Central Prince William County in Northern Virginia, the northwestern city of Alexandria in Northern Virginia, until 7:15 p.m. At 1:16 p.m., trained weather spotters reported heavy rain in Centerville, Virginia due to thunderstorms that will cause flooding. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Some locations that may experience flooding include Arlington, Alexandria, Centerville, Reston, Annandale, Springfield, Herndon, Fairfax, Vienna, Falls Church, Mantua, Plymouth Hills, McLean, Howard University, American Legion Bridge, Reagan National Airport, Rosslyn, Crystal City, Potomac, and Burke. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. This is a statement from the